Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Dylan here. We have an incredible video about stimulus checks for Uber and Lyft drivers, and they have been approved, so thumbs up the video. I'm going to tell you how to get your stimulus check of over $1,000, $1,050. Most Uber and Lyft drivers will qualify for these stimulus checks, and we're going to get into the details today. It is official. There's going to be tens of thousands of drivers receiving that. Well, I guess not most Uber drivers, but a lot of Uber drivers will be getting it. So before I get started, I want to give a shout out to T-Mobile, our sponsor, who has Play Octopus. And when you put this in your car, in the back, this is a tablet, you put it in your car, they're going to pay you as an Uber and Lyft driver up to $100 per month just for putting in your car, plus potentially more if you can refer some people. It's super easy, it's free, you get a free data plan too. So use my link below to sign up. They have tons of money and they're giving it a lot of money to you as drivers. So got double whammy, you can make some money with Play Octopus and stimulus checks. And now let's get into the video. So California has approved inflation relief stimulus payments. Here's who's eligible and who isn't. So again, this is for people in California. I wanted to get that up in the air clear at the very beginning of the video so everybody is aware. And it could be coming to other states as well. So comment down below what state you're in and if you're gonna get it. But here's how to get it. Most Californians will get one-time inflation relief payments. Most Uber and Lyft drivers will receive this. Here's how to be eligible. And according to this article, it's going to be coming in the form of tax credits, tax rebates. So if you file your taxes based in 2020 and you receive, let's get the details here. California stimulus. I believe it's less than $150,000 per year. If you make over $500,000 a year, you will get $0. If you make less than $500,000, you will get $200. Yeah, there's a sign right here of gas prices over $7 a gallon, $7.85. Millions of residents will receive direct payments. So I'm assuming you don't have to do anything. I think it's going to be based off of your 2020 tax bill or how much you made in profit. Yeah, single people who make less than $75,000 per year and couples who make less than, okay, so it's singles have to make less than $75,000 a year and couples make $150,000 a year. You will be receiving $1,000, $50. And if you make up to $500,000, it goes down. So I think this is a great time for people, especially in California where gas prices are the highest, I believe, to just get that relief. And especially for drivers right now, if you're making less than 75 grand a year in profit, I believe, that I'm pretty sure that's what it comes out to, then you should be getting those checks. But otherwise, I'll keep you guys up to date in other states as well if you're interested. If not, thank you so much for watching today's video and sign up for Play Octopus with the link below to start making some extra cash as a driver. And I'll talk to you guys very, very soon. Love you guys so much. Bye.